Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can filter unread chat on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I hop up into my Instagram, and if we want to filter unread chat on Instagram, we need to turn our account to professional account. We can go to our profile first, and then we can go to the settings and privacy. Click on these three lines and then select the settings and privacy, and then we have to scroll down until we find the account type and tools. This one. Okay, then select the switch to professional account, and then I'm going to click on continue, and then here I'm just going to choose, for example, community. Okay, and just wait for a moment. And I'm going to select creator, select next. Okay, and now the professional account has been activated. Wait guys. Okay, and I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. And as you can see that here we'll be able to filter our message. You just need to go to the filter option, and then you can select unread. Okay, and this is the unread message on my Instagram. Alright guys, and that's all the way to filter unread chat or message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.